Hey, good morning. Hope you're doing okay today. Sorry, I had to clear my throat already. But anyway, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys. I know I haven't done a video in a while. Been very busy with my blogs and niche blogs and everything. So I did want to just jump in here today and show you guys. I've been learning a lot about Pinterest. Hopefully my voice is not going to go out while I do this. But last night I made a free journal. It did a pin on it last night. This journal right here, which I will leave in the link below for you guys. And I just did a quick little post on it and then sent it out to my newsletter. And last night, though, I decided to make a few pins on it, and then I wanted to actually look at and see about doing a video, a pin on a previous video, but then I thought, well, let me just go ahead and kind of show what I've been up to lately, and then kind of go through my thoughts this morning. When I was thinking, I had seen that this pen was doing really well. And then I didn't see anything on journal and how to make a journal video. So I did actually have one already here, and which I will link to that one. Let's see here, this last one that I did. That didn't get a lot, but it's a long video and I didn't pin it or anything. I just started getting back into the habit of making pins. So I wanted to go through kind of my thought process here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter in Canva journal. Let's start with the basics there. This is Keysearch. Keysearch is a free Keysearch tool, word search, not word search. Hello, I just woke up. I should have had a little bit more caffeine, but it's a free keyword tool. And so I told you I should have had a lot more caffeine before I ever flip it on the camera here. And for some reason, Loom doesn't like it when I actually try to have my little picture in the corner. So that's why I haven't been doing on-screen videos, because Loom doesn't like, I think it's the box that we hook everything up to project to the different monitors that interferes with it. But anyway, so just a little bit of background about keyword research here, not that I can talk this morning. I've been using keyword research tools a lot, and Keysearch is one of my favorites. There's a free version. The paid version is like $17 a month, so it's not very expensive. I will leave a link below. Don't even think it's an affiliate link. I don't think I have one for this. I thought I probably should. But here lately, in the last few months or so, I've been using Keysearch when I go to make a blog post, a video, anything, just to kind of see where we rank. Keysearch is going to show the difficulty of the posts or the keyword that you're trying to rank for. The difficulty scores are over here. Green and baby blue are the ones that are the easiest to rank for. This yellow mustard color is kind of hard for some blogs. The red one's going to be a little bit more difficulty. It's all based upon your domain authority, and domain authority is what Moz ranks your blog in. I'll leave the link below. Moz is a domain authority is actually where Google is going to actually show how good of a job you've been doing building backlinks. It's a metric of Moz, just kind of showing where you are in the stats there. I'm going to pull up the actual DA, domain authority. DA is domain authority. Domain authority, definition. This Google is also using AI here too. I'll let you pull it up. What is domain authority? Domain authority is a search engine ranking score, estimates how well a website will rank in the search engine results pages. SERP's domain authority, or DA, was developed by Moz, and scores range 1 to 100. You can easily search yours for free. I just always Google Moz free DA checker. And just for an example, we'll put in my main site here. Yeah, I've been very busy blogging, flipping some blogs, etc., etc., etc. And in the evening time, I like to see where I can leave comments on higher ranking blogs, and that does help to increase your domain authority. I'll do videos on that later on. But mine's a 16, and then my blog is 2.5 years old, so a 16 really isn't awesome for a blog that old, but I didn't used to know anything about SEO in the beginning, nor did I know anything about domain authority and Moz up until Michelle and I started talking about it a few months ago. But I will, Michelle's my partner that we have Mom's Blogging Academy. And so I wanted to also, let's see here, I've got a new one that I don't know that I've got a score on here. If you have a new blog, it does actually take a little bit of time to actually start to rank. We'll pull up to a mine that I've been working on. Mom's Travel Hacks, it still doesn't have anything on that one, which is no big surprise. I only have about 6 posts on it. I've got, let's see here, trying to think of the other one I want to pull in. kidsdiycrafts.com. Okay, and then I think I'm going to be out because I think a turn here our time. All about felines.com is one of my cat blogs. I don't think it's going to let me do another one. It takes a while to actually have get ranked sometimes. Okay, this one here is one of my new ones. I started this one literally July the 18th, and because I know it's a weird long-term keyword, we'll go into that later on. But that's an exact Google match too for what people are intently buying and looking for in Google, which is why I bought it. But mainly about cat litter, y'all. So it's weird, but it's fun to blog about several different things. And so I don't know that I can go any further in that one there. Let's see here. Got one more not related to cats and cat litter. Only one that's related to cat litter. Well, all about felines kind of sort of is. Alright, so it's actually letting me do more than it normally does. So this is another one that I actually bought. More on that later. Bought it to flip it. I've already got listed for sale again. That's a whole other thing unto itself. But this one, I didn't build it to be actually honest from the get-go. But I did do the last few posts on it. But anyway, that just shows that they can vary widely. And then I've got a favorite person. Let's see here. Just trying to think. I don't think it's even going to let me go any higher, so we're just going to stop there. But I'll leave some links down below for you guys, just kind of going on a little bit about what I've been doing about domain authority and Keysearch and why I love it so much. Okay, so one of the SEO people that I follow says if you are between 1 and 40 DA, if your DA is between 1 and 10, you can usually rank for something up to 40. I've got a 16, so I can go a little bit higher, and my blog's a blog that's been around for 2.5 years. So, also, like I said, the first 2 years I knew nothing about SEO. Sorry, blog. But anyway, there's several different topics that you guys can try to rank for and try to cover. I like to look over here and see if I were a brand new blog, I probably would not be touching this topic. Also, this one is green, so green is okay for a new blog. That one is completely different than the one I'm looking at the moment. Alright, so how to make a journal on Canva. Okay, just want to see whose this is. If this isn't actually owned by Canva, you don't want to use Canva in your URL because then your URL is copyrighted. Okay, if he's the founder, then he can. Okay. Anywho, I don't know that he's actually. Yeah, he's not even affiliated with Canva, so I wouldn't have done that one. But that's on him. So anyway. Okay, let's see here. Create a journal in Canva. There's several different ones. I'm actually going to go a little bit long term. Keyword, long tail keyword, not long term, long tail keyword. Here on you how to. Okay, let's see, using. Okay. Alright, so nobody's actually looking for this exact term here. So I had another thought this morning too, right before I decided to do this, is to actually go look into Pinterest as well. And we're going to look up using if anybody else made pins for their videos. Okay, so that one went a little bit. Okay. All right, so I would probably do something like that or something like that potentially. And those are going directly to the videos, but my thought was to make a post and then do a pin to the post to the video. And so let's see here. Just kind of looking and seeing if we can validate our idea. We could do Canva journal keyword, something like that. Canva shortcuts, that would be a good one as well. Then we can do something like, let's see, top selling journals. There we go. More keywords, and then create journal in Canva to sell on Amazon. Going to other videos as well. Or you could do something like best journals 2023, something like that. And then just kind of seeing here. Here we go, ideas for bullet journals. The term bullet journal is actually copyrighted, so people are using those. Free journal templates. How to keep a grandma journal. That would be something cute to make, like that one. Types of journals to keep. There we go. So yeah, a listicle would do very good. A listicle is just a type of blog post that you would make using a list there. So I do think that's what I'm going to do. And since this video has gone on and on and on, a lot longer than what I've meant it to, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up for today. And then once I get the blog post done, I will do another video. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.